Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Remember to subscribe to our channel, okay?
Get started. This is
Bella.
This is Daddy Q, yay!
And this is our dinner.
Yeah.
And let me show you what we got here. This is fish.
Yeah, and this is...
We got here pepper.
and this
We
one
got
is
here lettuce.
and noodles.
And where's noodle, Bella?
Right here, right there. Right there.
Oh, yeah, right here. Rice noodle. And then this is how you do it.
Yeah, and
You grab your lettuce.
and this how we eat.
Well, I do it first, Bella. Okay? I do it first, and then you do yours.
I will do it.
Okay, you put your lettuce, then your rice noodles, then your fish.
And then prepare the vegetables
Then-
ever.
You get
The vegetables are ever yummy. Daddy,
you get pepper. Forgot what this called. Then you top it with pepper. And now the challenging part.
You eat it. And the pineapple.
Open wide.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Hi guys. This one is mine. I like this. And this is cheese and cheese. Not cheese, not cheese.
Bella, can you tell them how to put them together? It's good. You should try it, okay? Alright, so fish, you have to deep fry it, crispy fry. It's really good.
Bye bye.
Try it sometime. It's really good.
Yeah. It was just good, Daddy. It's just good.
So remember to subscribe to our channel. Right, Bella? It's time to say goodbye.
Bye bye, guys.
We're gonna finish the rest of the food. Bye-bye. Hello, hey guys, welcome to our channel. So there's Bella. Bella, your turn.
This is Daddy.
And this is our dinner. All right, so you got the fish, you got the pepper.
Then we got this for me.
Pepper with peanuts and other stuff. Got veggies. Then you got rice noodles. And then this is how you do it. You get your lettuce.
Yeah, I don't like this.
You're gonna have to eat lettuce, Bella.
No,
You get some rice noodles.
I will like this.
And then you get some fish. Checking for bones. You get
Yeah.
some
That is love.
veggies.
Love it. Yeah. I forgot.
Then you get some peppers.
Now eat it.
Then now you eat.
Yeah. Now eat this.
Mmm.
So this one has there. No.
What you got, Bella? Crackers, cheese, hams.